Good day, sir. This is Ryan James Abordo from SMT 3 Delta, and this is my business plan. So, Sleepwell Boarding House. The executive summary of my business offers a unique and affordable living arrangement combining privacy with communal living, catering to a diverse group of residents, including students, young professionals, and travelers. So, the name of my company is Sleepwell Boarding House with a tagline of relax, recharge, repeat. Sleep well. And this is our contact information. So, Sleepwell Boarding House aims to provide comfort and affordability in the dynamic hospitality industry, offering practical and budget-friendly accommodations. This comprehensive business plan explores the challenges and opportunities within the growing boarding house sector, highlighting what makes Sleepwell unique and poised for market impact. The industry overview of my business in the hospitality world, boarding house like Sleepwell Boarding House are becoming increasingly popular due to their affordability and convenience. Nature of the business. Sleepwell Boarding House is designed to capitalize on the evolving hotel industry by providing affordable and comfortable accommodations for all types of travelers, offering a range of room options from single to dorm style. So, description of the business. Sleepwell Boarding House will be strategically located with easy access to public transportation, educational institutions, and commercial hubs, offering a modern and welcoming ambience for guests. So, the reason for consideration, Sleepwell Boarding House presents a profitable opportunity in the hospitality market due to the growing demand for affordable accommodation and its scalable business model that adapts to varying market conditions. So the mission and vision of my business first will be the mission. These are the mission of Sleepwell Boarding House. The affordable accommodation, community engagement, and comfortable and convenient living. And the vision of Sleepwell Boarding House is to create a positive and enriching living experience that meets the diverse needs of individuals seeking budget friendly housing solutions. The ownership at Sleepwell Boarding House operates as a sole proprietorship. There's just one owner who runs everything. So the location of Sleepwell Boarding House is situated in Purok, Sunflower 1, Pagutlan, Tayud, Consolacion, Cebu. It's in a good spot that's easy to get to, safe, doesn't cost too much, and makes things convenient for everyone staying here. So, product and services. Here are a list of the services we offer. Accommodation services, housekeeping services, laundry facilities, communal spaces, basic amenities, and customer assistance. The market analysis. At Sleepwell Boarding House, our target market includes student, transient workers, budget-conscious travelers, remote workers, and expatriate. The competitors of Sleepwell Boarding House are the apartment building, dormitory, and value lodge. So here is what the strength of our business are unique points and competitive advantages, convenient location. Weakness is limited brand opportunities will be specialized services, and last threats is the economic downturn. SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, revealed that Sleepwell Boarding House stands out for its convenient location, community space, and affordable pricing, but faces challenges with limited brand recognition, reliance on shared facilities, and seasonal fluctuations. Opportunities include market expansion, specialized service, and collaborations, while threats involve economic downturns, regulatory changes, and intense competitions. And these are the strategy of Sleepwell Boarding House and their methods of sales and distributions. So the direct bookings, walk-in, and local advertisement. So the pricing of Sleepwell Boarding House cost 4,000 pesos per month. In the branding, here are some key elements of our branding strategy. Name and logo. Our name will our name is Sleepwell Boarding House reflects our core value of providing a comfortable and restful experience for our guests. Second will be brand identity. We strive to cultivate a warm and welcoming brand identity that emphasizes community, exclusivity, and affordability. Third, online presence. We maintain a strong online presence through our social media. Fourth, ex- customer experience. Every interaction with our guests, from booking to checkouts, is an opportunity to reinforce our brand values and exceed customer experiences. And this is the organizational structure of our business. So the owner, maintenance, and administrative staff. So the number of employees and responsibility. Administrative staff, maintenance, and manager or owner. As for the number of employees, since it's a sole proprietorship, typically as the owner would handle most operations myself, but it might consider hiring some help depending on the size and demand of my boarding house. So here are the financial plan of Sleepwell Boarding House. To initiate the establishment of Sleepwell Boarding House, an initial investment of 150,000 pesos is required. The sum will be obtained through borrowing from a bank, facilitating the necessary capital for the business venture. And here is the breakdowns of all the costs and location map. The proposed location for Sleepwell Boarding House is situated in Purok Sunflower 1, Pagutlan, Tayod, Consolacion, Cebu. And here are the pictures. Next will be the business layout, the interior of Sleepwell Boarding House. And lastly, the layout of the whole boarding house. So that's all for my PowerPoint. Thank you.